Do you currently own an Apple AirTag? In today's video, I'm going to share my experience with its battery life, and I will also show you how to check if you need to replace your battery, which battery you need to purchase, and how to replace it. But before I get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy Apple content and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay, so first off, I purchased my first AirTags as soon as Apple released them. I love this product and I love the ability to track all of my items. And the first time that I can say that I really used them was while I was moving from the States to Brazil, because I added a few AirTags on different boxes that I was shipping in a container. And I also put a few AirTags inside of my luggage. So I was able to track if I had all of my suitcases with me on my airplane, and I highly recommend you do this. So here's the Find My app, and if I zoom in, I can clearly see it says FedEx Ground. So I would guess that this is a FedEx distribution center. And if I zoom out, I can clearly see that it's currently in Miami. So in October 6th, it already moved to Miami. So exciting. But of course, you can use an AirTag to track any item that you want. You can put it in your keys, your wallet, your backpack, pretty much anything that you would like to track. I know I have a friend that put it in his bike, so it's pretty amazing. So here we're going to talk about the battery life, and Apple says that the battery lasts a little bit over 1 year, and my experience was the same. I would say that it lasted about 1.5 years. But Marina, how can I check if I need to replace a battery? And it's pretty easy. The first thing that will happen is that you will receive a notification on your iPhone. And once you receive the notification, I would say go ahead and replace that battery, because you don't want to wait until that battery is completely over, because you won't have the ability to track that AirTag any longer. So if you don't remember where it is, it will be pretty hard for you to find it. But the other way for you to check is, of course, opening the Find My app on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and open the Find My app. Unlock your iPhone, tap on Find My. Here you have the Find My app. Just tap on Items. And here you have the list of your AirTags. If you have an AirTag that the battery is running low, you will see this icon right here next to its name. Now, which battery do you need? And here it is. You need a CR2032 lithium 3 volts coin battery. You can find all of this information on Apple's website as well, but just remember CR2032. This is pretty easy to find. I purchased mine on Amazon. I purchased this pack from by Panasonic, but there are tons of different brands. I've added a few suggestions down below in the description if you're interested. So here I have the new battery, and let's replace it. To do this, the only thing that you need to do is press down on the battery cover of your AirTag and rotate anti-clockwise until it stops rotating. So let's do this. And you'll see that it already pops up, and you can simply open it. To remove the battery, it's pretty easy, so you can simply do this. Let's put this one aside. And now to put the new battery in, simply make sure that the positive side is facing up. Position it like this, and now we're simply going to close the cover again. To close, we will do the same thing. So simply put the cover back, but now we're going to press down. You will hear your AirTag ringing, and now you're going to rotate clockwise. And that's it. Now you have a new battery on your AirTag. And last thing we're gonna do is we're going to check if the battery replacement was successful. Of course, we already heard the ringing sound, so that's a good sign. But let's open the Find My app again and see if the battery icon disappeared. And it did, so great job. And that is how you can simply check if you need to replace the battery on your AirTag, which battery you need to purchase, and how to replace it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. And also, I would love to hear your experience with your AirTag. I would love to hear more about the battery life, if it also lasted a year and a half, or even longer for you, because I'm also sure that you'll be able to help another user with your comment. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.